Hello, fellow teachers and future teachers. Today I'm going to show you a very handy online resource that we used all the time when I was in high school, and I was actually surprised it's still around. But it is. The resource I'm going to show you is wimp.com. This is like a list of all the awesome, fun little videos that are typically pretty appropriate. I would still check them before you use them, obviously. But what we used it for in high school was they had completely blocked YouTube in my school district, so our teachers would frequently use Wimp to watch random little funny videos to introduce us to class. So I can't record computer audio, but this one is pretty interesting, and there is no audio. That's bees. The guy is walking through town with all his bees on his arm. Isn't that crazy? So, yeah, that's a real easy little resource to find interesting, quick little videos. Yeah.